Dímelo mi gente, Marcucci here in another video, and today we are doing a little bit of Crypto 101. We're going to be talking about what is crypto, what are cryptocurrencies, as well as what is blockchain. Anyways, the White House did this white paper. It was called Strengthening American Leadership in Digital Financial Technologies. They have a lot of great content, so I suggest everyone to go read this. But this video is especially for some of my friends that have been asking me, I still don't understand this. What is blockchain? What is all this stuff? So we're going to be going over their Crypto 101 in the white paper. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get right into it. So the broader ecosystem of crypto derives its name from cryptocurrencies, digital currencies that can be transferred peer-to-peer over the internet. Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonymous developer active in the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, created Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency using a pioneer concept known as distributed ledger technology. So basically, Satoshi broke the code that a lot of people have been trying this. There was stuff that was called Bitcoin. I think it was like something cash or digital cash. A lot of people have been trying to do this, but he basically broke the system. So Bitcoin's implementation of DLT solved a double spending problem that earlier attempts at digital cash tried to address. If Satoshi wanted to send $100 to Hal online, there had been some authoritative way to debit $10 from Satoshi's account and credit $10 to Hal's. Traditionally, that would have been centralized, trusted intermediaries via bank who controlled the ledger of both accounts. To eliminate the need for a centralized intermediary and make the system both decentralized and permissionless, the Bitcoin network accomplished the following. Distributed the ledger among all participants in the network, meaning each transaction will be recorded publicly with other transactions occurring at the same time in a list of transactions, and that is what is called a block. Incentivized nodes, computers running access to the network to solve a difficult math problem required to mine and produce a valid block through transaction fees and rewards. So basically, nodes are computers that are trying to solve all the different transactions that are in the Bitcoin network, and require other nodes in the network to validate the miner's work by checking the process blocks to ensure no double spending transactions occur. The sender of each transaction cryptographically provided the sender's ownership of the funds being sent, and the miner's solution to the math problem was correct. If each node in the network confirms that proposed block passed these checks, it will be added to each node's copy of the distributed ledger as an update to the account balances. The act of reaching consensus, as more blocks were created and accepted, the ledger will become a chain of blocks recorded to full sequential transaction history, hence a blockchain. So, let me know if you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you understood it, if you need me to break it down a little bit more. Hopefully, this is a pretty clear and concise way. I think it's one of the best ways I've seen it explain what crypto is, what blockchain is, and what blocks are in nodes. Anyways, intrigued to your thoughts. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. As always, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.